Here's what nobody tells you about running a window replacement company. While you're out there grinding, someone just pretty much stole your company, and it's not a competitor, not bad luck, but it's time itself, right? The phone rang at 6:47 p.m., your crew was packing up, voicemail happened, and by morning, the lead called 3 other companies. One of them answered, and you just pretty much lost potential revenue. We've all been there, right? It happens. But in this video, I'm going to expose the silent killer bleeding window replacement companies pretty much dry, right? And reveal how we're saving them over $110,000 a year without losing a single lead. Here's where it gets interesting, right? Over the past year and a half, I have been pretty much living a double life myself. By day, I'm building voiceAI systems for Fortune 500 companies, the kind of operations that pretty much never sleep, and they handle millions in revenue, and they operate with surgical precision because they have to. Long nights, constant testing, watching small tweaks unlock massive financial wins because every small thing matters. And by night, I have been running experiments, right? Stress testing these systems in the real world. Window companies, the businesses that built America but got left behind by technology, is what we're going to be talking about. And what I have discovered kept me up at night. So the average receptionist currently makes $37,000 a year, which seems reasonable, right? But here's the math nobody wants you to see. As your business grows, you need more. You need 2 receptionists, maybe even 3, and suddenly you're at $111,000 annually, and they still can't answer every single call. They still take lunch breaks. They still miss the 7 p.m. panic call from a homeowner with a broken window, and they don't answer the phone after hours to book the emergency appointment for the following day. What have I told you, right? There is a system that does the work of 7 receptionists simultaneously for the cost of half of 1 receptionist. What have I told you? It never sleeps, never takes breaks, and never lets a lead go to voicemail. You'd call that a weapon, and you would be absolutely right. Now, let me show you guys some evidence. All right, I'm going to start calling it, and watch this. Since I'm calling after hours on a Friday night, whenever your company is out and they don't have anybody taking the phone, I'm going to go ahead and see right now.
You've reached the scheduling and customer support line. This is Jessica speaking. How can I help you today?
Hey Jessica, I just wanted to see, right, how you guys handle custom bay windows.
Absolutely. Happy to explain. We handle standard, custom, bay, and specialty window replacements all the time. Once we see your space in person, our specialists can recommend the best options for durability and energy efficiency. Are you looking to replace an existing bay window or install a new one?
It's just installing a new one right now, but what does your guys' pricing kind of look like?
Great question. Pricing really depends on the window type, size, and the specifics of your space. The best way to get accurate numbers is to have one of our specialists come out, take a look, and walk you through all your options. No surprises that way. Would you like to set up a quick visit so we can give you clear answers? I can check availability for tomorrow between 10 and 12, or the following day between 2 and 4. Which works better for you?
Yeah, I need it very quickly. It's an emergency. So if we can get somebody out tomorrow the soonest time possible, that would be perfect.
Thanks for letting me know. It sounds urgent, so we'll treat this as a priority. Let's get you taken care of right away. Can I start with your full name? I'll make sure we have everything ready for our specialist to come out tomorrow at the earliest available time.
Yes, Kevin Campos.
Thank you, Kevin. And what's the best phone number to reach you? Just in case we get disconnected, I'll repeat it back to make sure I've got it right.
This number is fine.
Perfect. I'll use the number you're calling from. Is there an email where you'd like us to send your appointment confirmation, or would you prefer just a text message?
Kevin@gmail.com.
Got it. Kevin@gmail.com. Just to be sure, that's KEVIN@gmail.com, right?
Yep,
Now, is
that's
this for
right.
your primary residence? Thanks for confirming. confirming, and are you the homeowner, Kevin?
Yes, I'm the homeowner.
Perfect, thank you. Just to clarify, you're looking to have a new bay window installed as soon as possible due to an urgent situation. Is that right? Is there anything else about the space or the urgency I should know before our specialist arrives tomorrow?
No, nothing in specific. Just, yeah, your earliest time would work. And thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Kevin. Just to recap, you're scheduled for our earliest available slot tomorrow. You'll get a confirmation text and email shortly. If anything changes or you have questions before then, just call this number anytime. You're all set. We'll see you soon and take good care of this.
Thank you. Bye. All right. So pretty much done, right? Appointment booked, lead qualified, the customer satisfied. But here's what you didn't see happening in the background. And this is where it gets deadly efficient, right? The CRM updated automatically. The lead source was tagged. The confirmation text was sent. The reminder schedule, the follow-up sequence was triggered, right? The emergency protocol ready if they mentioned, right, urgency. All of that happened in the span of around 90 seconds while you were doing literally anything else. And your competitors still checking voicemails from yesterday. Now, this system operates on 3 core advantages, right? I call them the trinity of revenue protection. The number one for the trinity, right, is called the instant call. Never miss a lead again. The AI answers in 0.3 seconds, 24/7, 365, during lunch, after hours, when your team is slammed with a window replacement. It doesn't matter if 50 people call at once, this thing handles them in parallel, right? And think about what that means. That panicked homeowner who calls at 8 p.m. because their window just shattered, you're the only company that answers. You just won that customer before the competition even knew they existed, right? Fewer voicemails, fewer callbacks, more same-day bookings, more revenue captured while it's hot. And weapon number 2, right? The qualification machine. Every single lead gets the same surgical intake process. Name captured, number verified, service needed identified, location confirmed, timing preferences logged, prep questions answered. Then it checks your calendar and offers the next 2 best times, right? And while the confirmation also gets sent, reminders are scheduled, and no back and forth, no phone tag. And the result? Fewer no-shows, but better prepared customers, higher close rates. Your installers show up knowing exactly what the job requires. Now, the weapon number 3 is the financial nuclear saver. Okay, let's talk about the math that keeps your competitors up at night. Traditional setup is usually 3 receptionists times 37,000 equals $111,000 every year. And it still can't cover after hours, still misses calls during peak times, and still needs management oversight. Plus, mainly still needs training. While the voiceAI setup is $18,500 a year, half the cost of one human, handles the workload of 7 receptionists simultaneously, 0 breaks, 0 sick days, 0 overtime, instantly answers, automatic CRM update, built-in follow-up, and even best of all, you do not need to train it. We do it for you, essentially, right? So you are pretty much saving $92,500 annually, and that's 83% cost reduction. And the monthly breakdown is $9,250 versus $1,542. But here's what that money really means. That's enough to double your ad spend, upgrade your materials, hire 2 more installers, or pocket it as pure profit while your system runs 24/7 without you having anything to worry about, because we would have a technical team for you. And just to mention this, right, the AI doesn't just save you money, it multiplies your capacity. So here's what haunts me about this industry. While you're watching this video, other window replacement companies in your market are already running systems like this. They're answering every lead, converting faster, saving 6 figures, but they're not talking about it. Why would they? This is literally a competitive advantage. right? The homeowner who calls at 6:47 p.m., they're getting through to your competitor now. The one who calls during your lunch rush, same thing. The Saturday morning panic call, handled. And the companies that adapt are the ones that are going to win. And the ones that don't, they stay stuck competing on price, watching leads slip away and wondering why growth feels pretty much impossible. The uncomfortable truth is you can't outwork this problem. You can't hire enough people, and you can't be everywhere at once. But the AI can. So let me ask you something. If your business had a system like this running right now, answering every call, booking every appointment, saving you $92,500 a year, what would you do with that freedom? Would you finally scale, close more deals, spend time actually running your business instead of managing phones? Or would you keep doing it the old way, hoping nothing changes? I mean, look, I've spent the last year and a half testing out this in the trenches pretty much every single day, and I've seen what works. I've seen companies that 10x their lead capture in 30 days. And I have seen owners finally breathe because they know nothing's failing or falling through the cracks, right? So if you want to skip the trial and error and have my team build this out specifically for your window replacement business, click the first link in the description. We'll audit your current setup, identify where you're losing money, and show you exactly how to implement this. No fluff, just actionable steps that you can use immediately. So thanks for being here. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. And now let's go take back those leads. Let's do it. Peace out, guys.